In today's video, we're going to take a look at a very low budget knife from the folks at Schrade. It's the SCH224. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, it's going to be a little bit of a jacked up video because I just spent the last 2.5 hours making videos without turning my microphone on. What an absolute doofus move. But I've got some testing footage to cut in just a minute, so let me just cut to the chase here about this knife. This is the SCH224, about a $15 knife on Amazon. It is 8 CR13 MOB steel, a 2.77 inch blade, about a 3.5 inch handle, and about a 6 5/8 inch overall length. If you're one of those people who prefer metric, you're gonna have to look up the conversion for yourself because it's about to get dark and I'm tired. But this is not a hollow grind knife. It's kind of a flat grind. It's got that titanium coating. A couple things I like about it. It's got the open frame design, which allows you to clean it out very well. I know a lot of people say, well, you know, it allows too much stuff to get in there, but it's going to get in there anyway, so that gives you the opportunity to get it clean. It has a single thumb stud geared towards a right-hander, a tip down pocket clip geared towards a right-hander, and it's got a stacked aluminum handle, which I think is just kind of cool. This is a pretty styling knife for 15 bucks, and very smooth action, as you can tell. You know I like to flick it, and I just can't help it. So, but you don't have to flick it. You can actually just use your thumb and do that right there, and it works very well. So, and it's got a lanyard hole, which I never use on a folder, but some people do. So without me doing a bunch more rambling, let me just take you down to the old stump top. We'll cut in some of the footage. I'll play the guitar or something behind it, and we'll wrap this thing up because I'm a little frustrated right now. Okay, well that was the footage of the knife stuff, and you know, this, I'm sorry, you know, my wife says quit flicking that. My kids have got those fidget spinners. This is kind of like my fidget spinner, so I do that a lot. Oh, also about cut my thumbnail there. So anyway, it's again 15 bucks, SCH224. I think it's a pretty cool little knife. I like these little low budget knives that Schrade does sometimes. It's really smooth action. I'm amazed at this one. There's a little orange one I did a while back too. These two of my really favorite little knives just to keep around and use for regular old knife stuff, whether it's opening envelopes or boxes or cutting string or tape or whatever, because they're just so handy and so smooth, and just they don't weigh hardly anything. And there you go. So there's that, and I'm going to wrap this up now and go do some voiceover stuff on the computer. So once again, thanks to the folks at Schrade and BTI for sending me this so I can show it to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. Put out a brand new video every Friday, Saturday, very often random videos throughout the week. Click right here to watch another one. If you're not subscribed, please click down in the corner and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Once again, my name's Brian, and you're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.